Thanks for tuning in to yet another video here. We're kind of taking a look at the bike, and today we're going to be talking about the Leather Pros. These are the V3s. 1,000 miles in already. They look pretty good. These are not the, of course you can see these are not the leather ones. These are the ballistic nylon ones. I honestly like the look of these ones over the fully leather ones. It's just, you know, my taste, my opinion. Even, you know, and they're about $150 or $200 less than the fully leathered ones. So super good quality material, as you can see, and they look good on the bike. I mean, some people don't like them. I like the way my brother, he was asking me how come he just didn't get them all leather to kind of get it to go with the seat and stuff like that. But I looked at the leather ones, and I don't know, just maintaining them and stuff like that. I wasn't feeling the fully leather ones. I don't know, it's just something about the texture of the leather. I didn't like the way they looked, but I'm not sure why. For some reason there's this cavity right here. Now I bought these, you see this here, I'll show you. There's a better view from right here. I don't know why these have that cavity right there. I don't know why. At first I was wondering, you know what, did GetLowered send me the wrong ones? Because I would think that the spring fits perfectly right there. I don't know why they would have this cavity. I don't know, but I mean, I started looking into them, and a lot of the soft tails have this cavity. The ones that don't have this cavity on the inside right here are the easy install, which is they have the cutout right here on the back of the saddlebag, and I also didn't like the look of that. But I really came close to purchasing those other ones, the easy mount Leather Pros, and it was just because you can't really see these alloy art signal lights. Honestly, they're LEDs, but I'm guessing because I got them smoked out, and they're hard to see, because even I have a hard time seeing them. And you kind of want to be seen, honestly, especially from the rear, you know. But these lights, they don't light up with the brake light. But you know what? That's a different video. There's a triple play kit, that custom dynamic cell that can power your signal lights and your brake light together, so that way people can see you a little bit easier. But let's go back into the Leather Pros. These are usually the way I kind of ride them. Just kind of zipped up to here, and then I just attached this over, and it seals really good. I haven't had anything fall out, mainly because I believe that as long as you keep these zippers kind of up here in this area, and it's honestly kind of like a quick in and out just to get out. If you have something bigger, you could also, you know, open it a little bit more, just like this. I have my drone in here, and they're perfect. I put my lunch bag in here, my sweaters, my gear, stuff like that when I go to work. It fits, and you could actually extend these by like an extra 3 inches too. They have an expandable bag, and they're soft, so you don't have to kind of fight with the hard saddlebag or anything like that. So they're perfect. And I've seen a few other ones too. There's some leather shops that could customize this top leather piece, and it makes the saddlebags really pop. So top quality stuff. They also have a leather placement here for the handle on the saddlebags. You know, small little details like this, it really shows the craftsmanship on the saddlebags. I also like this little extra pocket on the side right here. My gloves, they fit in perfectly inside here. See, this is where I usually store my gloves and stuff like that. My phones also fit in there too. Sometimes I put my phones in there. And you know, there's no problem with the heat or the exhaust or anything like that. You don't have to worry about that. And they actually stand on themselves too. Show that in the video before I installed them. So There's a lot of capacity here to put in your cargo. You could also put a sissy bar. They send you a kit where you could actually put a quick detach sissy bar for more storage, or one of those luggage racks on the back too. So they give you everything. And another good thing about it is if you have another bike, you could also use those other mounting brackets and put them on another Softail or a Dyna. And you could easily take these off of here and then put them on your other bike, depending on your setup. And that's what I'm thinking about doing on my second bike. Just installing those and then swapping these between bikes depending on where I'm going or where am I heading to or stuff like that. So the only things that I don't like about it, like I mentioned, is just this cavity. I don't know why we have that big old gap in there. That's pretty much it. That's my only gripe. You know, you see it from right here. It just doesn't look good. You know, you can see it. So just having that cavity takes away from the storage, and you know, that's the only things. That's the one bad thing about these saddlebags is just that the quick detach works like a charm. You have your own key. You could easily take them off, take them on. I mean, put them on, just kind of like how you've seen on my other video on the quick detach video that I have. You know, it doesn't take more than, honestly, maybe 1 minute each. That's pretty much it. So if you're in the market for saddlebags, I know these are pricey, but the quick detach, the V3, because these mount a lot more securely. These saddlebags and they look really good too. You know, you have, I believe, 2 other options out there, the Conways, and I'm not too sure. I like these, and I believe they look really good on the bike, as you can see from right here. It's just if you're in the market for saddlebags and you don't want to pay the $3,000 that Harley-Davidson's asking for the Sport Glide saddlebags, then these are nice. Alright, so thank you for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. These are my Leather Pros. Good stuff. Thank you for watching, guys.